Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your online reputation with Reputation.com. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Reputation.com website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the option for managing your online reputation. Begin by entering your business name in the designated search bar. Click on the search icon to see existing online mentions and reviews. Review the results to identify any negative feedback or mentions. Take note of patterns in the feedback you receive. Now, focus on responding to negative reviews constructively. Craft personalized responses that address the reviewer's concerns. Encourage any satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Utilize the review request feature to automate this process. Next, explore the social media management tools provided. Connect your social media accounts to streamline your online presence. Create and schedule engaging content that reflects your brand. Monitor your social media engagements through the Analytics section. Utilize the reporting tools to track your progress. Set up alerts for new reviews and mentions of your brand. This will help you respond quickly and effectively. Consider investing in SEO tools offered by Reputation.com. Optimize your website for better search engine rankings. Focus on creating high-quality content that engages your audience. Regularly update your profile across all online platforms. Ensure your contact information and business details are current. Finally, review your online reputation regularly to stay proactive. Implement the changes suggested and maintain your positive image. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.